Meaning of exclusion.
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 Exclusion. Exclusion refers to the act of deliberately leaving someone or something out and denying them access or involvement in a particular group, activity, or opportunity. It can also be defined as the process of keeping something separate or apart from other things. Exclusion can lead to feelings of isolation, discrimination, and prejudice, and can have significant negative effects on individuals and communities. Consequently, it is important to recognize and address exclusionary practices and work towards creating inclusive environments that allow for diversity and equal opportunities for all.